Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the geometry. Make sure bodies are rigid, joints exist, and contacts are set. Once done, switch into the Motion Study workspace and pick your solver. For smooth playback, use 60HC. Next, enable the Motion Link add-in or prepare joint link constraints manually. Then, select the driving joint, this is your control point, and place markers where the link will attach. This gets you into the first actionable step quickly, so you can start defining linked motion. Now you create and bind the links. Select the driver joint and add a motion link to each follower joint. Make sure to choose the correct behavior, rigid, flexible, ratio, or offset, and enter precise values like 1, 1, or 0. 5 for gear style relationships. Once linked, run a short range test to confirm motion transfers as expected. Watch for overconstraint and adjust constraint stiffness or offsets. If collisions occur, refine contact sets and return to link stiffness settings before proceeding. To finish, run the full simulation and inspect keyframes, position plots, and energy or torque graphs so you understand system behavior. Once validated, export the animation or motion data in the format you need, such as CSV or FBX. If something goes wrong, isolate the problematic link by disabling others, reduce degrees of freedom, and check joint origins for misalignment. Also make sure the solver settings match time step and accuracy needs. These tweaks usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.